Thrifting secrets you don't want to miss.
No skill required, and all the hacks come from Dollar Tree.
This is insane that this is even here.
So the next time you're in the thrift store and find a super cheap piece, or even something by the side of the road, here's some Dollar Tree hacks that anybody can do. They're so simple, even my dog could do it.
Dollar Tree hack time.
If you've ever wanted to try a simple DIY that requires E6000 super glue, all you need is the Dollar Tree Fix All adhesive. It's virtually the same thing according to the reviews. Glue 2 thrifted pieces together, spray paint for a gorgeous look fast.
You had no idea that Dollar Tree sells resin. This is mind-blowing because there are so many thrifting tricks that you can use with this. Grab some Dollar Tree florals. We're gonna grab a gorgeous vase for a resin project you don't wanna miss.
I thrifted a vase for under $1. Pottery Barn and Wayfair are selling these for $100 to $200. If you didn't know, resin is going to give us the look of faux water, and we're doing this for less than $10. This comes with the resin and a hardener. Wear gloves, do this in a well-ventilated area, mix these together in a cup for about 30 seconds. Pour directly into your vase, and then you're going to add the flower arrangement on top. It hardens in about 24 hours and looks so high-end. Stay tuned for where I put this one.
Do not buy these sponge brush sets from the crafter section. You get more for $1.25.
In the auto section, you get 8 for $1.25. I use these to stain my thrifted finds. Don't go anywhere. We've got furniture pieces coming too, but I did want to let you know that the hot glue and the scissors are also great from the Dollar Tree. Here, I just glued some wine corks into the bottom of these. This makes a gorgeous tray or display board.
And the tool section is awesome. Let me show you some of my favorites for painting, upcycling. You don't need to go to the hardware store.
Sandpaper is so expensive and so great from Dollar Tree, and a quick hack is to put Dollar Tree duct tape on the back to help reinforce this. What you can also do is cut this down once you've done that to fit into nooks and crannies.
And you can save up to $30 on your sanding projects.
And here's one of my favorite tricks. The picture hanging kits from Dollar Tree are great, and so are these metal hooks. I sanded down my board and gave this a quick coat of leftover black spray paint. I drilled these onto my stained board, and then I just painted over the little screws so you wouldn't see them. This is gorgeous.
But here are some favorites you also don't want to miss. These sanding blocks. Whatever you're getting from the hardware store that you want to sand down, that you want to upcycle, these are fantastic. Here is a spot you want to come, especially if you're thrifting. They have these gorgeous wallpapers, and you can use this on tons of thrifted projects, especially if you don't have time to paint. This is a fast upgrade. My favorites are these two. You can pick the ones that match your style. They also have this wood-looking one. When it comes to decor, let me show you a little hack. I love these butterfly shadow boxes. These are gorgeous for $1.25. They also have these right down here. These are brand new sizes, and it's in the same gold. You can create gorgeous displays for under $10. Are you ready for the gem? It's these. Furniture scratch markers. I have touted these for years, especially for thrifted items. They have all of the browns as well as blacks for $1.25.
And you want to see them in action, I got you, which is why I found this amazing thrifted piece we're gonna make over together. But first,
when you get something, you want to clean it up fast. I highly recommend Fabuloso. Come over here. They actually have a brand new scent. This is the apple pear scent. This literally smells like a lollipop. Wait, smell it, Charlie. Right? This is so good. What's really great is it's for multi-surfaces, whether it's wood or countertops, laminate, whatever you have, you're gonna dilute this in a gallon bucket. It is perfect for cleaning your thrifted furniture.
You can also put just a little splashy dashy right into a bowl of warm water. And this drop cloth is also from Dollar Tree. Their tarps and drop cloths are awesome. This does a great job of cleaning your furniture. It leaves it smelling great. I also love their microfiber rags. And if you are all about the simple solutions anyone can do, you're gonna love today's sponsor.
Today's video is brought to you by Skillshare, the largest online learning community with thousands of classes all taught by experts so you can learn and work at your own pace. And maybe you know Skillshare for classes in photography, watercolor, but did you know Skillshare also has classes with career focus and New Year, New You?
Personally, I love Emma Gannon's class. She's an author, broadcaster, and podcast host, and she shares her secret to success that helped her overcome self-doubt. If you're fed up with feeling afraid of failure, of not being good enough, or even success itself, she dug deep into the science behind self-sabotage and learned exactly how to get out of her own way. These are the parts of you that are worth investing in. I love hearing other people's stories, being inspired by them, and not only that, it's broken down in a way that I can apply to me.
Silence that inner critic. Try out something new, even if you never have before. The truth is you don't have to spend a lot to do it it, which is even better because you get to try 30 days completely free of Skillshare when you click the link in my description box below. I love Skillshare and have worked with them for years. They're a huge advocate of this channel and you deserve to try it out free.
I actually was able to apply some of those strategies in a DIY coming up. But first, you want to see how that dresser turned out, right? These work as an ink. You just draw over the scratch with the lightest color first and buff away. These are so highly rated and oh my goodness, are they expensive on Amazon? Yes, you are saving, my friend. And here's a makeover that is reversible. If you decide you don't like it later, you can change this out and it's under 20 bucks. I took that wallpaper from the Dollar Tree, I cut it down to put right on top. All right, this is actually really easy to do. If the piece is beveled, make sure that you measure before the bevel so it's not gonna go over the lip, but this sticks so well on top and smooths in great. I also decided to put this on the sides. I used 16 pieces for this entire dresser, and because of the geometric pattern, they were super easy to line up. Do you want to know my secret tool? This is in the vinyl decal section. This is supposed to be mimicking the Cricut roll cutters. It's kind of like an X-Acto knife, but I think better, and this worked fantastically. Look at that, it's so clean and crisp. And leave me a comment down below. Do you use dressers unconventionally in your home anywhere? I mean, you're not just storing clothes. Maybe you have a craft or a hobby that you keep inside or something more creative. I like to keep mine in my craft room, and this is so easy to change out, mix and match. I love this little corner, and I could not believe the next thing I found in store.
These wood burning tools retail for $15 on Amazon. This is how you use them. Anybody can do it. Just check it out.
You can make gift ideas en masse, and these are personalized. Grab a cutting board from the Dollar Tree. You could also thrift this, but I like how it's just $1.25. Print out on computer paper the image that you want, go over it with pencil, and then when you write on the top of it, it's gonna transfer to your wood. This was my very first time using a wood burning tool. I had no idea what to expect. I'm gonna be totally honest, I was really bad at it. Or so I told myself, and I do think it's the stories we tell ourselves that matter. So rather than walk away defeated, I decided to try again, this time with an image of a dog. I thought you could customize these with a cat or a dog, personalize the silhouette. I'll link the one I found down below. And then I started to get the technique down. This one only has one beveled tip attachment and it makes straight lines really well. But if you need to do more curved lines or cover a bigger surface area, you can just tilt the tool to the side and wiggle back and forth. I'm so glad I stuck with it because isn't this the cutest gift idea? I love stepping out on a limb where I can, and when you guys see me painting in videos and you wonder where I get my supplies, most of them came from the Dollar Tree. These paint dip trays are $7 at the hardware store by Wood Glue.
I mean, these are just as good as the hardware store. Save yourself $10.
Let me know if you've tried the rollers in the comments below. And my favorite product that you may not know exists is a scraper tool for your roller brush. These are $9 at the hardware store, but this is gonna run and get all your paint off your roller.
The Tool Bench brand is going to rival the Purdy brushes, especially with this angle. That's what you're looking for. This one is great. These general purpose brushes are also great and a brand new find.
If you take nothing else away from this video, my thrifter secret is a polyacrylic top coat. Whether you're stripping the stain off of something like I did this table, or you're painting it and you want to seal it, this is what I use on all my furniture, and I apply it with a Dollar Tree paintbrush. You cannot go wrong, especially when painting something or redoing it. And I want to show you a hack with it. The Dollar Tree sells wood boards, and if you're not that crafty and always wondered like what could I do with that, print off a favorite picture in black and white on a laser printer. Paint that board with one coat of the polyacrylic finish and put it face down. This is gonna sound crazy, but it works. I just go over mine with a credit card so it adheres well. Let it dry and then put some water on top of the paper. Then you're gonna be able to peel back, and that laser printer is going to transfer the image right onto your wood. Seal with another top coat and you have art for your home.
My friend, if nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon. It just made me think of this. Oh God, it's on a string.